Being a mum is everything plus more that I ever thought it would be. It is chaotic, it's intense, it's beautiful, it's the greatest time of our lives. Your outlook on the world changes. All you care about is, the health, happiness and safety of your children moving forward. We had Brax in the middle of winter and we lost power for kind of 24, 48 hours. That was something that probably shocked us, the sense that, gosh, you can just be cut off in an instant. It's quite literally everything, from cooking to cleaning, being warm throughout a winter. And for us, we had an 8-week-old and no power in the middle of winter. So it gives me a lot of peace of mind knowing that we've got the battery there that we can rely on to ensure that our household continues to be powered. Lauren and the team from 6 Star Plus have just finished up, so let's go see how the install went. Lauren, you've been smashing it out all morning. How's the install gone?
Pretty well, actually. I'm pretty stoked with how it went. The GoodWe ESA's got a lot of AI integration, so it makes fit off and commissioning pretty easy.
How is this battery going to help my family?
Easily. So during the day, this thing will charge up from your solar panels, and then at night time, you'll be able to access that stored energy. You've got 48 kilowatts here, so that should get you through the night.
What about from a maintenance perspective? I mean, it's for my husband more than anything.
You're pretty busy as well, so there won't be much you need to do. Everything will be accessible on the GoodWe app. As long as you check in that regularly and just make sure the system's producing as it should, you should be right.
So with the app and the amount of travel that I do, will I be able to access, all of the information from the palm of my hand?
Easily, no matter what ground you're at, you'll be able to access how much your solar's producing, where it's going, whether it's going into the home or storing in the battery, and if anything excess is getting sent back to the grid, all accessible in the GoodWe SEMS app.
What about Lifecycle? How long does the battery generally last, and is there anything that we need to be aware of on the safety front?
Nothing too important that you've got to worry about. I guess one of the huge selling features and safety features of these batteries is that each module actually has its own fire extinguisher, which is pretty cool. So a lot of peace of mind from your end, and you can also all monitor that on the GoodWe app too.
Oh, that's awesome.
It's
there you have it, folks. GoodWe, powering the moments that matter. The app and the numbers and the tracking, that's probably not me. That is absolutely my husband. I feel like there's always two kinds of people in any relationship. Supermarket, for example, I'm a grab and go, whereas Keegs will sit there and he'll look at the dollar signs and the cent signs and the mils and the grams. I'm very excited about this, but Keegs, he's like a kid in the candy store at the moment. So a super simple process. It only takes about half a day. Looking at renewables, thinking about energy and power. Since having a baby, your mindset just shifts completely and you want the best for their future and the environment for them.